Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we will solve problem number 141, English cycle. So look at the question right here. Given head of linked list, determine if the linked list has a cycle in it, and there is a cycle in a linked list if there is some node in the list that can be reached again by continuously following the next pointer. Internally, post is used to denote the index of node that tells next pointer is connected to. Note that post is not passed as a parameter, then true if there is a cycle in the linked list, otherwise return false. So you can see in the description right here. In the symbol, okay, we have three symbol, and the symbol one, let's say right here, we have 4 nodes, right? 3 0 2 0 and 4 and -4. Is 1. So what you choose? So because y is cycle. So how we can solve this problem? Okay, in this problem, in this solution, we will use a technique fast slow node. Okay, so we'll got right here fast equal head and slow equal head. We will start in the head right here, but the difference between fast slow is same as name. The fast will run 2 steps, otherwise the slow will run 1 step. So why? Because you can see right here. First of all, fast and slow is pointer to this node, and in the first loop, because fast it has to run 2 steps, right? And in the first loop will stay here, and slow will stay here. And the second loop, so the second loop, right, will run right here, right? And the slow will run here, okay? And third loop, fast will stay right here, and slow will stay here, right? And we will run fast and slow, and in the many loops they will mix together. Of course, for you why the condition is fast and fast.net. Slow equal slow.net. Fast equal fast.net. .net because has to run 2 steps. Okay, I will this again. We will explain again. So in the first loop, right? Resemble 3, 2, 0, and that's 4. In the first loop, slow is equal to, because slow run 1 step, and that right, and fast is equal 0. Okay, second loop, slow equal 0, and fast equal 2, right? Because you can see right here, this node is point to not right here. Okay, so when fast equal fast.net is 2, max is 3, 3, slow is 4, and fast equal 0, right? Max 4, slow equal 2, fast equal 4, fast equal 0, right? And the slow is 2 and fast is equal 0, and fast.net and .net is 0, E2. So yeah, it's a cycle in the list. It will return true. Okay. So over here we will check if slow equal fast, return true. If this list doesn't have any cycle, return false. So let's check. Okay, cool. Okay, that's the first video of this. Okay, so thank you for watching. And if you have any question or any feedback, or you have another solution, you can comment below. Okay, I hope this video can help you on maybe you just relax after hard working. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned.